Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by spotting real demand, not hobbies. First, list 3 to 5 audiences and write one core pain point for each. Once done, run quick keyword checks for low competition phrases with at least 1,000 monthly searches. Prioritize phrases you can rank for in 6-12 months. Make sure to map each audience to monetization paths, paid products, affiliates, or lead generation, so you're testing profits from day one rather than guessing. Now you validate. Publish 3 focused content pieces around your best keywords and add a clear call to action. Then drive low-cost traffic, $50 ad tests, targeted forum posts, and personalized outreach to see real behavior. Once you have visits, measure CTR, time on page, and first conversions within 30 days to judge intent. If metrics show interest, double down. If not, iterate keywords or shift audience. Make sure to capture emails for follow-up testing. Finish by scaling winners and fixing issues. You build content clusters and pillar pages around top topics, link internally, and optimize SEO to compound traffic. Once traffic grows, implement product funnels, higher ticket affiliates, or subscriptions to increase revenue per visitor. If conversions lag, test new offers, revise CTAs, and audit traffic sources for intent. Low-quality clicks kill ROI. Finally, make sure to track unit economics. Customer value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.